how we looking. We looking snatched. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to be playing with some old makeup. So we're going to be starting out with the Ulta Beauty Poreless Face Primer, mineral oil free, paraben free. So this soothes and refines pores, reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, enriched with grapeseed oil and safflower oil to soften and soothe skin, creates the perfect base to help extend the wear of makeup. Now going in with my ABH Dip Brow Pomade in Ash Brown. I'll be applying that. Suggested shelf life is 6 months. I think I've had this for at least 3 years. But it still works good, girl. So if it ain't dried out and crusty, I say, why not just use it until it's gone? So that's what I'm doing here. Now taking my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, Super Coverage in Almond. I'm going to carve out my eyebrows a little bit, give them some sharper shape. This has a suggested shelf life of 12 months, and I do believe I've had this for 12 years. No, not really. But I think I've had it for at least 6 years. I really got into makeup about 2014. And Too Faced was like the first thing that I bought. So now I'm going into my ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit to do my contour. Taking that yellowy shade and putting that under my eyes to conceal my freckles and discoloration. This has a suggested shelf life of 12 months, and I've had this as well for at least 6 years or 7 years, but it still applies pretty good, so I'm keeping it. We're just gonna keep carving out, lighten up the center of the face and the corners a little bit, and the chin. Now taking that middle dark shade, that's light sculpt, and going around my perimeter, my forehead, my cheekbones, sides of my nose, and the jawline. And we are looking mighty fine. Now for foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation in Porcelain. Suggested shelf life is 12 months as well. This is one of the first foundations that I ever bought, and the coverage is fantastic. I like to put this on top of the contour because it helps with softening that out. Also, you don't have to do a whole bunch of blending. You just kind of apply it, and it kind of just shines through from underneath the foundation. So that's a contour secret I learned a while back. I think it was Goss Makeup. He's pretty awesome. Yeah, so I just blend that all through. So for the next month or so, I just really want to focus on doing makeup. I know I've done quite a few hair videos, but I'm going to start giving my hair a little break. I'm going to keep with my natural hair regimen, of course, shampoo and conditioning, so you'll see a lot of makeup from me now. So alright, my contour kit, the powder contour kit from ABH. I'll be using that. I got this at the same time I got the cream kit, and the suggested shelf life for this is 12 months as well. think I've had both of these since 2014. Don't at me, I just don't like to waste money. You don't have to waste money either, girl. Just keep using your stuff till it's gone. Now, you don't want to use anything that can, get bacteria in it, like your mascara and things like that. But if you keep your brushes clean, use new brushes every time you apply your makeup, then you should be fine as far as bacteria goes. I'm just gonna keep chiseling out where my contour cream was applied to kind of bring back some shade into the skin, some color. Going back over my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead, as well as my jawline. So let me know down in the comments, are you new to my channel? How did you find me? Are you a returning subscriber? What brought you here to my channel? I'm really interested in knowing, who I have subscribed to me and what more you'd like to see from me. So just go ahead and leave that down in the comments if you've made it this far in the video. I appreciate your views. I appreciate the interaction with my subscribers as well. I just like to get on here and have fun, so we're just here to have a good time and shine light. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder and Banana, and just putting that all over my face to lock everything in and get that natural look back into the skin. Now taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer, applying that to a flat brush and blending that over my eyelids. This has a suggested shelf life of 12 months. This, I think, was gifted to me from a friend. I'm not sure how long she had it before, but it still works pretty good, so we're using it. Now for eyeshadow. The Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. This was my very first luxury eyeshadow palette, and I'm telling you, it's come a long way. I've gotten a lot of use out of it, but I haven't used too many of the funner colors, so I'm going to try to use some of these up. So I just set my eyes with a little powder to help with the blending, and I'm just going to do like a medium crease look. Nothing too crazy today. Everybody knows this palette smells like chocolate bar, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using it until I can't use it no more. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using the ELF eyeliner in black. Nothing too spectacular about this one. Now we're coming in with the eyeliner as well for the under eye. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Vice. And the suggested shelf life for this is 24 months. Of course, you know, You can always shave off the old used portions, but you know, product does break down over time, but this one is still pretty good. I don't know how long I've had it, probably since 2016. I'm not too mistaken. I know I've had it for a while, so, but I really love this purple color, so we're gonna use that until it's gone. Next, for mascara, I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension, and this is in the color Bryn. This has a suggested shelf life, I cannot say that, of I think it says 9 months? No, it's probably 6 months. Girl, I need glasses. Anyway, so we're gonna apply that to the lashes. Of course, this claims to, you know, make your lashes 10 times longer than they already are, but I think that's just, you know, false advertising. Half the time the people they use already have long eyelashes. Mine are very medium to not long at all, but it does enhance your lashes pretty good. Just don't overcoat them. I do like the wand on this as well. It really grabs the lash. But yeah, as long as far as making them 10 times longer, no, I don't think so. Okay, now for blush. This one is an OG as well, the e.l.f. blush palette in dark. I'm actually using that more orange shade there, just for a light flush. This has a suggested shelf life of, well, it doesn't say, so we don't know. But generally, it's probably about 12 months. Again, blush is, you know, nothing too crazy. And then next for our highlight, we're using the Urban Decay Afterglow palette. This has a suggested shelf life of 24 months. And she still is shining bright like a diamond. I haven't used these palettes too much in my look, so I'm really gonna start putting them to use as well. Let me know in the comments as well, what is your favorite makeup brand to use in your glam makeup? I'd really like to know. Now for lips, I'm using the Milani lip liner. I don't know what shade that is, but I know I've had this for quite a number of years, probably about 5 or 6 years. Girl, it's hard to maintain. But anyway, we're gonna apply that to the lip. And now we're gonna take the Milani, let's see, this is the Amore Matte Lip Cream, and the color is Stunning, number 38. And this lipstick, once you apply it, girl, it is on your lips for the rest of the day. I love it. And it doesn't dry your lip out either. It just dries down matte and really nice. Another OG, the setting spray by Morphe. This is the best setting spray I've ever used. This is not an old jar because I've used it so much, but I do love the Morphe setting spray. And now we're just going to throw a wig on this head, and we're going to call it a day with this look. Alright, and that's it for this look. Everything turned out really good. The makeup still applied really great, so I'm still going to keep this. So thanks for watching, you guys. And again, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you so much for returning. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.